afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time let's walk around here in Legian, guys. Let me show you something. Look at this. It is very big and beautiful penjor, guys. I don't know what is happening here, but I asked the local people earlier and they said there was a festival, something like that. So, yeah. This is the second one. It's really big penjor, and I think one of these penjor, every penjor, it costs like quite a lot of money, maybe more than 2 million, guys. Look at that. Which one is the best for you? First one, second one, third or fourth? It is hard to tell actually which one is the best. All of them are very beautiful. And anyway, if you walk along the street, then you will see a lot of beautiful stuff as well here. Dresses, many things, dream catchers. And I saw there are some shops, they do like fixed price, which is much better because you don't need to bargain. And this is Jalan Padma, and along this street you will see like a lot of shop, something like that. And here the Fish On restaurant, I think is permanently closed. I came here like, when was it? Yeah, a month ago or 2. It was closed as well. And this one is Momo's. Momo's is doing good. Even at this time, there are some people enjoying their drinks and food here. Look at that. This is your favorite place. There are a lot of TVs as well. You can watch a lot of sport games.
Yeah, maybe like interesting like big boy.
I don't know, there are quite a lot of guys here offering himself to the tourists like, maybe you need a strong boy or a bad boy, something like that. And there is a new spa there, guys. Maybe you want to try next time. It's Elif Spa. Bakso, a lot of street food here. Coffee. Everybody need coffee. And what it will be.
Hey,
Halo. Pak, mau bikin apa ya? Oh, ini mau jadi apa? Toko ya? Apotek. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I spoke with the guy earlier, and I think it will be another shop. And he said it will be another pharmacy. Hello.
Please do summer cream.
Sure.
Mr. Butterfly.
Ah,
Are you
okay.
from where?
I'm from Bali.
Yeah, from Bali. Oh, I'm from Bali too. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, come drop it please to summer cream and the new menu.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Did you know him? I think a lot of you know him. Next to the Summer Inn, there is another new spa here, guys. It looks good from outside. How about that bar on the right side? It's quite busy at the moment. Look. Hello, King's Barbershop. Well, look at this. This restaurant is starting to be busy. It is quite early, 5:30. Well, look, very big lobster. Anybody want to have lobster here? King prawn as well. Hello. Okay, let's continue walking and let's go to see the beach. But probably the beach is not really busy because the weather, as you can see, is a bit cloudy. I want to see the sunset actually. I really miss sunset during the rainy season, guys, because normally you have very beautiful sunset from Kuta Beach, from Legian Beach. So just let's go and see it. And look at here on the right side, it is Pusher Pub. I think the staff, they have new uniform and the staff look gorgeous. And maybe this is your favorite street, right? Padma Utara. You'll see a lot of bars there. The famous one is the Y Bar. But let's go and see the other area this time. Well, look at this place. It's a very cute place anyway. Every time I pass by here, I like to see this, what you call that, the design of this place, yeah? Let's have a look what they have here. This is their menu, guys. All day menu, bruschetta, and how you pronounce this? Bolognese, something, bug rolls, crispy pommy, something like that maybe. Garlic prawn, and they have mains and pastas here. Look at that. And regarding the food, I have no idea if it's good or not, and the price also I leave it up to you because I don't normally go to this kind of restaurant since I'm local and I have like local taste for food. Most of the time I go to Indonesian food. Maybe it's good to try sometime Western food. And this is a big hotel, Padma Legian. So like to stay here maybe. And I think maybe one of the famous hotel in this area. Let's just keep walking, guys. And let's see Legian Beach. I saw on the social media last time there were like some ministers of Indonesia came to Kuta Beach, and anyway, I have to say thank you. As a Balinese, I have to say thank you for some minister that came last time to Kuta Beach and took some pictures. They were cleaning the beach. But on top of it, I'm hoping that they need to do, let's say, make some strict rules, because I know some of the trash, they are not only from Bali, most of them came from outside of Bali. And the ocean brought it here to Kuta, but I'm hoping that it is from the top level of the government of Indonesia. They're strictly forbidden to throw trash to the river or to the ocean. We are in Bali starting to do like segregations, taking care of our waste, even though I know not all of them, I mean all of us doing it at the moment, but we are starting to do it, and I hope other islands also they're starting to do it. Otherwise, even though we are doing good in Bali, it will not enough if the people from other islands they are not doing good as well, guys. If they don't do good, I think every year same story happened during the rainy season. Okay, let's continue. And we are almost at Legian Beach, guys. So let's go and see. So this is Legian Beach. At the moment, it's good, yeah. It is clean, which is nice to see that. Anyway, rainy season still like 2 months to go, I think. January, February, March. So hopefully the beach is always clean like this so that people can enjoy. They fly far away from their home to Bali, and it is embarrassing actually when they arrive here to see a lot of trash on the beach. Anyway, if you want to have your food, you want to have your lunch or dinner, you can have it here. There are some restaurants have opened now. Bu, apa bu? Morning price?
Nah, ini teman. Ini teman itu.
Ya, kalau sekarang price apa?
Naik price.
Naik price. Gimana tamunya rame ya?
Ya, ada aja, Kak.
Oh.
Lumayan lah, tapi ini musim-musim sepi. Soalnya udah wet season.
Oh.
Nanti setelah Februari baru rame.
Setelah Februari ya rame ya? Ya semoga lah, amin amin lah.
Amin. Dapat tapo.
Kasih ya. Yeah, like they said, I agree with them. Now it's like a slow season. I mean, not a lot of tourists, and hopefully soon, end of this month or next month, people starting to travel to Bali.
Yeah, okay. Still just Malali dulu. Yeah.
Melali dulu. It is nice to see some people here. Let's get closer to the beach, guys, and let's see. This area also very clean at the moment. So this is the situation. I can say it's quite good. Yeah, it's really good. It is nice to see this, and I hope people can enjoy this beach. Like it or not, Legian Beach is still one of the most popular beach in South area, together with Kuta, I think. So what is your opinion? Do you think Legian is the most popular beach in South area? Okay, so that's all for today's short video from this area. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again at the next one. Thank you very much, and bye now.